Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about KTM 390 Super Duke R performance. The KTM 1390 Super Duke R stands like a predator in the heart of a luxurious showroom, its aggressive stance demanding attention. Every angle, every line, every exposed mechanical component speaks of raw power and precision engineering. This is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement of dominance, a machine built for those who refuse to blend into the background. Beneath the bright showroom lights, its bold orange and black color scheme glows with an unmistakable presence. The polished floor beneath reflects its sharp silhouette, amplifying its aura of speed and strength. The name KTM 1390 Super Duke R shines on the wall behind, not just as a label but as a warning: this is the beast unleashed. At the heart of this monster, an advanced high-performance engine awaits, ready to deliver an explosive surge of power with just a twist of the throttle. The moment the ignition comes to life, the deep, menacing growl fills the space, sending chills down your spine. This is not just an engine, it's a symphony of mechanical perfection, tuned for ultimate performance. Every element of this machine is designed for pure riding excellence. The trellis frame, lightweight yet incredibly strong, ensures razor-sharp handling. The WP suspension system adapts flawlessly to every road, absorbing bumps while keeping the bike stable at insane speeds. The aggressive LED headlamp design cuts through the darkness like the eyes of a predator, always watching, always ready. Swing a leg over the saddle, and you instantly feel the connection. The riding position is aggressive yet ergonomic, placing you in total control. The handlebars, sculpted for precision, give you the confidence to push harder, lean deeper, and ride faster. The state-of-the-art TFT display flickers to life, delivering real-time information with crisp clarity. Then, the moment of truth. The throttle opens, and the KTM 1390 Super Duke R surges forward with an unstoppable force. The acceleration is brutal yet refined, a perfect balance of power and control. Every gear change is seamless, every rev a pulse of adrenaline. The advanced electronics work in harmony, ensuring that every bit of power is optimized for the perfect ride. Corner after corner, the precision is unmatched. The bike leans effortlessly, the grip unshakable, the response instantaneous. The Brembo braking system ensures that, no matter the speed, you remain in full command, stopping with precision that matches its acceleration. This is not just about speed, it's about mastery, about the perfect union between rider and machine. The KTM 1390 Super Duke R is not meant to sit still. It belongs on the open road, on twisting mountain passes, on racetracks where limits are tested and records are broken. It is built for those who crave the rush, for those who seek the extraordinary. The name on the wall behind is not just branding, it is a legacy. A symbol of unrelenting performance, of engineering without compromise, of the thrill of riding at its purest form. The KTM 1390 Super Duke R is more than a motorcycle. It is the embodiment of speed, aggression, and absolute control. The beast is ready, the road is calling, the only question left is, are you ready to ride? Please like my video and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.